Hello everybody, it's me, the Axolotl Express, and welcome back to Skyblock. I've been busy a majority part of today trying to get all this stuff going for us. Here we go, let me turn on some nice chill music. There we go. As you can see, the island looks a little different. I took out all the dirt that was here and I moved it, and we also just got those two things spawning, so yeah. And this is our cobble and gravel farm. I was going to set up a smelter here, but this kind of took up a lot of space. Wait, why does this thing have like 4 gravel in it? There we go. But glad to see that this thing's doing its work, moving nice and quickly. So, okay, we are getting quite a few creatures now. I'm going to go ahead and set up a quick kelp farm, but that I needed to grab the things for that. I needed to make a few things for the gravel farm. We already got 1 clay ball. So let's quickly break all this stuff down. Looks like it's raining, so that's a good thing. Let's go ahead, break down this clay. We need 1 more hunk of clay, because I think we need like 5 clay. Go, let me grab 1 more copicular stone. And there we go. Go and turn all that into terracotta. We're almost done smelting all the seared bricks we need. We still have that little stack left to go. Let's see, is this done cooking yet? Nope, but almost. There we go. Now we gotta cook all that up. go. Got our bricks. There we go. That should be more than enough to smelt down all that. So now that we got that going, wait, why do I have 9 bricks? What? Okay, yep. There was like an old like mod that you could like grab one of these and it would just sift it for you. I think it was actually EX Sequentia that had that, but okay. And I'm gonna quickly go through all of these, and then I'll be right back. And there we go. We finished going through all that gravel. We we got quite a few ores out of it. We got quite a bit of coal. Lots of pebbles, so you don't need to worry about those for a little while. Okay, okay. Okay, I was about to say, no way we only got 3 iron ore chunks. We got a whole stack of those. Whoa. Why is there so many cows? What's with all the cows? It's nothing but cows and chickens over here. There's not even any grass. I want to try something a little later. See if it works. But apparently you can put like a casing on these gears to like separate them. So you don't have to extend it out as far as I did to get like the aspect ratio happening. At least we're producing cobblestone at a decent clip. This chest is packed to the gills with cobblestone. Whoops. Let me just go store this cobblestone over here. Actually, no, scratch that. Let's go ahead and expand our platform. Oh wait, hopefully this actually works like it's supposed to, or else I'm just wasting time. So just to be on the safe side, we're going to turn the rest of these into slabs using the normal stone cutter. There we go. Let's go ahead and expand this out by another 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No idea why I'm doing 4s, but that's what we're going with, so. Then we're going to fill this in over here. There we go. Let's go out by 1 over here real quick. One, 2, 3, 4. There we go. We got a nice large platform. There we go. Okay, so let's go ahead and oh wow, there's some dried kelp right there. That's useful.
Oh, I'm going on a weekend cruise on FSC Cruises. We're gonna white sand beach and beanbag chair.
Are you using nouns as verbs?
We can do that on FSC Cruises. Where was I? The food. We'll rigatoni, French fries, we might even gelato. How about you?
Oh yeah, I was gonna. Long
3 and 4 night cruises for $199 plus tickets stay
Okay,
free.
that's
Visit
still doing its thing.
fsccruises.com/travel advisor. Restrictions apply. Ships registered in Panama and Malta. From
Let's
February
go ahead
11th
and
through
turn
the
some of
14th,
this. I know we have some sand right here. I think we need
Get
1
24
sand.
French roses for just $29.99 with Prime. All of our roses are sourced for good, meaning they help support workers, their communities, and the environment. They aren't just flowers, they're Whole Foods Market flowers, expertly cultivated and picked to have big blooms, vibrant colors, and strong stems. Visit your local Whole Foods Market today in store or online. Terms apply.
There we go. Just cook all this real quick. Well, this 1 piece of sand. Then we turn the rest of these into ingots. There we go. Now let me go grab. Do I just have like an ingot of copper somewhere? Because I know I got like full blocks of the copper, but I don't want to. I mean, I guess if I don't have any other choice, I'll do it. First things first, though, we're going to light up that platform so we don't get any, unwelcome guests. Oh, good. Here's a copper ingot. I think I only need 1, maybe 2. I'll take all 3. Let me grab all these seared bricks and make the smeltery controller real quick. Let's just try it with 1 ingot. Okay, there we go. Okay. So I guess it was 3 ingots. Because no way it was an actual block. So I'm guessing 4? There we go. Now we just need to get a source of... What's it called again? Do we have any bone meal? Here's a bone. And we can quickly whip up a quick thing of clay. There we go. I'm pretty sure we have some bone meal somewhere else in one of our chests. Unless I accidentally used it. recipe for bone meal. I could see for it. Send dust through a string mesh. Flint mesh. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. And yes, I turned off the shader for right now just because I'd like to see where like all my water is and stuff like that. I just need one more bone meal. That's all I need. There we go. Let's go ahead and make this stuff real quick. Oh, we got some redstone dust and we got some glowstone dust. There we go. There we go. Do all that. Looks like we even got some gunpowder. Let's just see the rest of this stuff. Okay, so we got some skystone dust. That's useful. So, is this thing done yet? Oh, sorry, this thing. Yep, it's done.
Harvey, it's selfie time. Ooh, nice new iPhone 17 story. With the center stage front camera, everyone fits in the shot. At T-Mobile, you can get iPhone 17 on them. No trading needed.
Easy. I'm switching things forever.
Not at T-Mobile. You can switch in just 15 minutes. Okay, let's try a palm pose. I'm in front.
You guys. Ooh, and here. Time to focus.
Oh, I'm crazy eyed.
Okay, it's okay. Repeat. Smile. Switch to T-Mobile in just 15 minutes and get a new iPhone 17 on us. No trade-in needed.
Now let's grab this and fill up our little crucible over here. By the time it's done, we'll probably have our thing finished. There you go, we got the smeltery controller. And now we're going to need a few ingots. Okay, each side's gonna have 3, so that means we need a total of 12 ingots. How many ingots are left? 7. Oh well. We'll make it work. I guess we gotta make a little more. There we go. Check this one ore in here. Take a minute for the copper to melt. Okay, we got 7. Hey. What? Okay. Weird. But not complaining. I don't think I did anything in the configs. There we go. We just need one more, and then we'll have all the stuff we need. How are we looking over here? This is almost done, so let's just go ahead and grab the seared stone we have in here. Okay. Put that chest right there. Going to just put all these ore chunks up here. So, how are we looking? Okay, this is there. So first things first, we need to make 6 of these. There we go, some seared drains. Now we need to make this seared fuel tank, so that's like this, if I remember correctly. Yep, a seared fuel tank. We need to make a few of these. 6. 8, 9. 10, there we go. Let's see, now that we got that going, we need to make 4 of these. Four of these. There we go. There we go. I think that about covers what we need. And the rest we could just turn into seared bricks. There we go. Now that we got that, one, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's place these brickers right here. Let me grab that seared fuel tank. There we go. And now up here we put the drains. go. Now let's add the rest of the brick. And there we go. Our smeltery, technically speaking, is already done. But, like I said, I went out of my way and made a boatload of grout because I want to make this a massive smeltery that we can then use to basically liquidate a lot of stuff at once and maybe accidentally make a few ores. Well, not ores, alloys. We just need one of these.
From big game bites to sideline sips, get everything you need for a watch party victory at Whole Foods Market. Find yellow sale signs all over the store, from the chip aisle with salty snacks from Kettle in late July, down to the meat department, where there are no antibiotics ever fresh sauces.
There we go.
And gear up with effortless, ready-to-eat wings and fresh guacamole from the prepared foods department. Instant touchdown. Fuel your game day with big flavors from Whole Foods Market.
Okay. Good, we almost have one full millibucket of lava. I mean, one full bucket of lava. Then we could start up our smeltery. Let's get all the ore chunks we have. I know that we're not going to be able to do anything with the, silver ore chunks until I somehow implement a mod that allows us to use those silver ore chunks. There we go, we got osmium. We got iron. Wait, what? Hey. Well, never mind. I actually haven't used for silver now. I guess it just wouldn't let me do it in my thing. There we go. We have all this copper here. This is gonna... I don't want to throw this in with the gold because that'll make a bunch of rose gold. And there we go, the smeltery's up and running. So let's check in the silver. chucking the lead, chucking the zinc, chucking the iron, chucking the... Oh, I guess we already ran out of space to throw in ores and stuff like that. So lead melted fastest. Molten lead, making some pewter, some zinc. And look, we got a block of iron. So we can now actually make an iron farm now. Because of the mechanical press. Because we need one block of iron to make that thing. Let's just finish melting all this stuff down. Oh, right, I also got some spare osmium here. Yeah, the gold is going to mix and make electrum and rose gold, so... I guess I already used up the entire supply of magma. It's going to take a minute for it to recharge. There we go, organize that. Oh, more zinc. More lead. Here's some more raw osmium. So let's go ahead, empty out one block of iron so we could make the press. There we go, we now have one block of iron. Let's go ahead. Do we have... Oh, there's even more ore chunks in here? Okay. Oh, and we also got a diamond there too. So let's go ahead, get some andesite casings made. There we go. I mean, I know there's another way for us to get a bunch of resources. I literally have a mod installed called Resource Chickens and Roost. And those two will work together to give us some insane things. Make another block of iron. Oh, Ceres quartz uses. I can make a tiny TNT! Quartz fiber. Quartz glass. We can also melt this down into silicone, which we could then use to make some parts. A 1K storage part. To get this. Ooh. We could see for it through dust.
The Volvo XC90 is equipped with 7-seat versatility, Google built-in, and advanced safety features for all your precious cargo.
There we go. We got 32 andesite alloys now. I think we're pretty much set with that stuff.
From big game bites to sideline
Where? There's my axe.
for a watch party victory at Whole Foods Market. Find yellow sale signs all over the store. From the chip aisle with salty snacks from Kettle and Late July down to the meat department where there are no antibiotics ever fresh sausages
we go. Give me the casing.
Fuel your game day with big flavors from Whole Foods Market.
So now we can make the mechanical press. And that means we can now convert this gravel. We're going to pump it out of here. Onto our conveyor belt. So I'm going to want to keep a chest full of gravel. So we could, save it for other resources later. So let's go ahead, grab this shaft. Just put the lid there for right now. Check the gold in there. Okay, no other ores on me at the moment. So we got that going. Let's go ahead, let's go ahead and make a batch of shafts. It doesn't have to be too long. Just long enough. Okay. Let's go ahead and make some encased fans. For that we need more andesite alloy. Here we go, encased fans. So yeah. We got plenty of andesite alloy. I mean, we need to make plenty of, what's it called again? I think 5 should be plenty. I really do like the way the casing automatically connects. Okay, there we go. We got these now. So in order to make these, we need the propeller, which is 4 pressed iron. So let's go ahead and we want to make 5 of them. So that's about 20 iron. So that's about 3-ish blocks of iron we need. Let me go ahead and quickly craft up the iron ore chunks into an actual hunk of iron. I do have some spare iron left over, so I might have enough. There we go. Now we need to... Okay, that brings me up to 18, sorry, 19. Okay, hold up. I'll be right back. Anyway, I'm back. We're gonna just quickly do this, make this little iron farm. There we go. Block of iron. There we go. Now, what we gotta do is we gotta take the hand crank. wherever I put that thing. Where did I put that hand crank? Right here. Okay, we're going to need to press. I wanted to make 5 of them, so we're going to need to press 20 of them into. There we go. Let's go ahead and apply the crank real quick. There we go. Let's go ahead and do this. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18, 20. There we go. So wait, can I actually make okay, good to know. I can actually make I can make a small plate cast with that. So let's go ahead and make these fans. There we go. There we go. We got the fans now. Right, we need a belt. Oh well, I'll get the iron farm going off camera. Yikes.
Great. My phone is freaking out again. Why are you still doing it that far? I could never traded it in. Only half the screen works. You know, you could from T-Mobile to sell something on them, and they'll
Okay, yeah.
even though it's like,
Anyway, I'm going to end the episode there.
come on, it's time for the
I'll have the iron and flint farm running by next episode. So, yep, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Have a nice day, and goodbye.